Thought maybe I could do a quick video on this little EDC kit I've got going on here. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep it or not. We got the ESEE Izula right here, Izula 2, with the Molle back. And I have rigged together a pouch using the ESEE 5.6 clip plate that goes on their sheaths. I rigged that up, you know, did some cutting and some screwing and put it on there. It's still pretty light. It's not as slim as I like anymore, but it's cool. I've got my PSK personal survival kit on there in the pouch. Right here you've got your Spyderco PM2. Everybody knows about that one. And your Leatherman wave. And I got the 2-bit kits in the back of there. Now this kit is far from exhaustive or complete, but I wanted to show it to you guys, give you a quick rundown of what that kind of looked like. I'm gonna do a better video on it in the very soon future. I don't have a lot of space left on this phone or computer, so I need to get some more space. And I got a better camera coming in, so. But yeah, this is something I rigged up. See, I've got a ferro rod right there, a little carabiner, some paracord. I've got an ESEE 10 in there with some more fire-related materials, signaling, cutting, navigation, etc. I know it's a little bit overkill. I got ultimately 3 blades here, but that one is pretty much it disappears on me because it's so light and so slim. It's not a very heavy blade, at least in my opinion, and very slim, so it pretty much disappears in my back pocket. Pretty much a backup to these two. This is the Izula 2 is really, in my opinion, the perfect EDC fixed blade and bushcraft and, you know, self-defense if it got used in that fashion by somebody. And of course, the wave I think is the perfect EDC Leatherman. I think any smaller than that for at least my needs, and it's really just a well, I'm not going to dog anybody else's stuff, but for my needs, it's not. It's a little too small for my needs. But the wave has all the exact tools I want on it, almost, except for an awl. I could do without the kid scissors. But yeah, this is the little clip plate that came with the Izula 2 here, and I just stuck it on the back of this Molle pouch because I like that clip plate better. And it works great with. All of this works great with, let's see if I can get it here on camera, my belt from Black Scout Survival here. The concealment belt. It holds up all these items really well. And so I'm pretty impressed by that and happy. But I'm going to do a way better way more exhaustive video here in the very soon future. I just wanted to put something out. I'm going to do a ultimate EDC kit, or what I believe to be the ultimate EDC feature when I upgrade a few items and change a few things around. But anyway, alright, that's pretty much it for now. If you got any questions, I took some better pictures of how I assembled all that, and if you want to see them, you can possibly go to my Facebook page. But alright, until next time, guys, I will talk to you soon. Under 5 minutes. Yeah, buddy.